Okay, so Hannah and Soren have gotten much better about playing together. What are y'all doing?
What am I doing? Taking care of the kids.
Okay. What are you doing, Soren?
I'm making noodles.
Okay.
I just gave them a bath, and now I'm thinking I'm gonna have to do it again after noodles.
Oh. Yeah, noodles can be messy with twin babies.
Girl, boy.
What are their names?
This one's Andrew, and this one's name is Flower.
Flower. Well, that's a pretty little girl name.
Flower is supposed to have daycare by now.
So, Soren, are you the daddy?
That's their bed over there. I'm a pussy.
Are you the mommy?
Dragon. This is Pussy. This is her stuffed animal, Pussy.
Oh, that's a nice
This is
name.
Dragon.
Okay. Soren, what are you doing?
Nothing. He's getting out Dragon's clothes.
Well, I'm very proud of you guys for playing so nicely. Just so long as everything gets put back in its place.
Yes. I don't think that will do.
Okay, guys. Love you.